In the realm of manifestation, prayer is the language of the heart speaking to the universe.
Have you ever wondered what sets apart those who effortlessly achieve their dreams from those who struggle to make them a reality? What if I told you there's a simple yet powerful key to unlocking your deepest desires? Welcome, dear viewers, to an exploration of the extraordinary potential within each of us, the power of manifestation through prayer. We all have aspirations, dreams, and goals that we long to manifest into our lives. Whether it's finding success in our careers, nurturing fulfilling relationships, or achieving inner peace and abundance, the desire to manifest our dreams effortlessly resonates deeply within us all. Throughout history, across cultures and civilizations, humans have sought ways to tap into this innate ability to manifest their desires. And today, we embark on a journey to uncover one of the most potent tools at our disposal, the power of prayer. So if you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or uncertain about how to turn your dreams into reality, get ready to be inspired. Together, we'll delve into the profound wisdom of manifestation and discover how a simple prayer method can unlock the limitless potential within you. Join me as we uncover the secrets to manifesting anything you desire with ease and grace. Welcome to a world where dreams are not just possibilities, but tangible realities waiting to be embraced. Welcome to the power of prayer. In our quest to manifest our deepest desires, we often encounter roadblocks that hinder our progress. From self-doubt to fear of failure, the journey towards manifestation is often fraught with challenges. Yet, amidst these obstacles lies the undeniable truth. Having a simple and effective method for manifestation is crucial. Without it, we may find ourselves lost in a sea of uncertainty, unable to navigate towards our dreams. That's why in today's exploration, we emphasize the importance of having a reliable tool, a method that empowers us to overcome these challenges with ease and grace. At the heart of manifestation lies the timeless practice of prayer, a universal concept that transcends boundaries of culture, religion, and tradition. Prayer, in its essence, is a powerful tool for manifestation, allowing us to align our thoughts, emotions, and intentions with the universe. Whether through spoken words, silent contemplation, or heartfelt meditation, prayer has the innate ability to channel our desires into tangible manifestations. Across different spiritual traditions, prayer has been revered as a sacred practice, a direct line of communication between humanity and the divine. Now let's unveil the cornerstone of our exploration, the secret prayer technique. This method, shrouded in simplicity yet teeming with potency, holds the key to unlocking our deepest desires. What makes this prayer technique truly remarkable is its accessibility. It's not reserved for the chosen few or the spiritually enlightened. Rather, it's a practice that anyone can embrace, regardless of background or belief. By demystifying the process, we empower individuals to tap into their innate ability to manifest their dreams effortlessly. So how does this secret prayer technique work? At its core, it harnesses the power of positive affirmations and visualization. Through deliberate intention and focused attention, we plant the seeds of our desires into the fertile soil of the universe. By consistently reinforcing these intentions with affirmations and vivid visualizations, we create a magnetic pull that draws our desires towards us. It's a process of co-creation, where our thoughts and emotions serve as the blueprint for our reality. Now let's break down the secret prayer method into simple, actionable steps. First, set a clear intention for what you wish to manifest. Next, craft a positive affirmation that encapsulates your desire in a concise and empowering statement. Then, immerse yourself in the visualization process, vividly imagining yourself already living your desired reality. Finally, release your intention to the universe with a sense of trust and gratitude, knowing that it's already on its way to you. In our journey towards manifestation, doubt often rears its head, casting shadows of uncertainty upon our path. Yet, it's important to recognize that doubt is merely a passing cloud. It holds no power unless we allow it to overshadow our faith. In moments of skepticism, remind yourself of the countless success stories and testimonials from individuals who have experienced tangible results through the power of prayer. Trust in the process and watch as your doubts dissipate in the light of your unwavering belief. Consistency and patience are key to maximize the effectiveness of the prayer technique. Make it a daily practice to engage in prayerful manifestation, setting aside dedicated time to connect with your desires. Stay open to the signs and synchronicities that the universe sends your way, signaling the alignment of your intentions with reality. And most importantly, cultivate an attitude of gratitude, celebrating each manifestation as a testament to your innate creative power. As we delve deeper into the practical applications of the prayer method, we discover its versatility in various aspects of life. Whether it's manifesting success in your career, nurturing loving relationships, improving your health, or attaining financial abundance, the secret prayer technique knows no bounds. Through real-life examples and anecdotes, we illuminate the myriad ways in which this method can be applied to manifest your deepest desires. So open your heart and mind to the infinite possibilities that await you on this transformative manifestation journey. As we draw near to the end of our exploration, let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've uncovered. We've delved into the profound wisdom of manifestation and the power of prayer, discovering a simple yet potent method for turning our dreams into reality. From understanding the challenges we face to embracing the universal nature of prayer, we've embarked on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Now, dear viewers, it's time to take action. I encourage each and every one of you to start implementing the secret prayer method in your lives right away. Set aside a few moments each day to connect with your desires, using positive affirmations and visualization to plant the seeds of manifestation. Trust in the process, stay consistent, and watch as your dreams begin to unfold before your very eyes. And remember, this is just the beginning. If you found value in today's discussion, I invite you to subscribe to our channel for more tips, techniques, and insights on manifestation and personal development. By joining our community, you'll gain access to a wealth of resources designed to support you on your journey towards a life of abundance and fulfillment. So let's commit together to harness the power of prayer, to manifest our deepest desires, and to create the life of our dreams. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and embark on this transformative journey with us. Together, we'll unlock the limitless potential that resides within each of us. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, may your dreams manifest with grace and ease.